I finally got to try Seedance 2, and it won't let me create anything. Let's talk about it. Okay, so the past couple months, Seedance has been like the biggest AI video generator, and I'm seeing all sorts of amazing stuff on TikTok, on YouTube, fight scenes and everything, and it looks amazing, and I can't wait. I couldn't wait to try it. And finally, it's on 11 Labs now, and I'm trying it, and nothing's working. So let's take a look. So first of all, here's what, we've been seeing for the past few months using Seedance 2. Look at that. It's not the best choreography, but that's significantly better than anything else that's been around. Look at that. With Wonder Woman and She-Hulk. Now, I get it. Obviously, this you can't have this because these are copyrighted characters, so I get that. I get that.
I know you're tougher than that.
See some other ones here. That's pretty cool. This one's less good. The motions are a little janky.
Stark.
Freaking Dr. Doom here. Oh wow, oh, it's Vecna. So yeah, I understand not allowed. Okay, so I get it. I understand not letting people use copyrighted characters, Superman, She-Hulk, and whoever. I get that, but they seem to have restricted literally everything so much. You need restrictions, you need community guidelines, otherwise people can create some horrible stuff. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So I've been working on this little scene here with these characters from a martial arts show that I used to produce like 10 years ago.
You know what must be done. Golok, leave this world immediately or be destroyed.
You cannot harm me, Archon.
And all these shots were created with primarily VO. I think one of them was Seedance 1.5, but primarily these were all VO3. So you'll notice a lot of cuts in the actual final fight shots. As you can see here, we got one cut, second cut, third cut, and fourth cut. And the reason for that is basically because the actual 6-second shots of fighting are not very good. They're kind of janky, or they're repeating the same moves. So by utilizing little pieces of each of them, I was able to put something together that kind of looks like a coherent fight scene, even though the choreography is kind of all over the place. But then I saw that 11 Labs reintroduced, I think they had it and they took it away, but anyways, they reintroduced recently Seedance 2. So I was like, ooh, let's try it. And it costs a lot of credits, but we'll try it. Because I've got the subscription. It'll probably take all my credits, but whatever. But then I went and I tried to generate some stuff, and I literally cannot generate anything. Image and video, as you can see, all my generation fails here. So I'll show you a few of the ones that I'd done with Seedance. There we go. So I did a few with Seedance 2. This was done with Seedance 1.5, so yeah, they're literally just punching each other's fists, so not great. And then this one, again, just punching each other's fists. At least we got a kick in there and a nice kind of camera circling. But overall, not great. And then this one here, I tried to get the character to do an uppercut and send him flying, and I was hoping for a proper uppercut, but that didn't work out. It's not even a punch. Okay, so yeah, so not super impressed with Seedance 1.5. But now Seedance 2, as you can see, we're using Seedance 2 fast. And here I used the same kind of still frame. So it was a still frame from one of the VO shots, so kind of like mid-fighting. And then I got ChatGPT to help me with the prompt here. 2 warriors engage in a realistic martial arts fight in a desert battlefield, controlled strikes, blah, blah, blah. It goes on for a while. Then, handheld camera, slight shake. And I didn't want music in it because sound effects, but no music because I want to add my own music. It was pretty standard prompt. And immediately, generation failed. This generation may violate our terms and services and has been blocked. Okay, I tried it again. This time here, instead of saying realistic fight, we said 2 warriors engage in a fast-paced martial arts exchange. We removed the word fight. Okay, failed again. All right, next. 2 warriors demonstrating a high-speed martial arts choreography. Like, we're moving away from any words that might be perceived as like violent. And still, generation failed. May violate our terms of services. 2 warriors fight. Let's do this next one. Look at this. This one I wrote this prompt, so I went away from ChatGPT prompts. I'm just 2 warriors fight with martial arts precision. No music, handheld camera, no cuts. Fail. Next one. 2 warriors perform a martial arts exchange. Fail. Next one. A cinematic fight between 2 warriors. Fail. Next one. A cinematic action scene. Fail. Next one. A cinematic action scene on the same thing. Next one. Literally just the word action scene. Fail. Then I tried this one here. So I went back to ChatGPT, and this was like his ultimate attempt to not be offensive. 2 characters in a tense, close quarter physical exchange in a desert battlefield. Fail. And then finally, literally, I wrote the word conflict. Fail. So where does this leave us? The tool is essentially useless. I mean, yes, it can create some amazing stuff, but if we're looking at this from a perspective of actually creating some cinematic work, at some point we're going to have to create conflict, whether it's a fight scene, whether it's police arriving, military guys that are with tactical gear, whatever it is. Like, if this is the goal, then you have to tone back the restraints on this. Is ridiculous. You can't do anything. I understand blocking copyrighted materials. That should be there. I should not be able to create a Spider-Man fan film using AI because it's not my property. But these characters are my property. These characters are created by me, and I don't see anything wrong with creating a martial arts fight scene. I'm not asking for blood and gore and guts. I'm asking for a martial arts exchange, of which I've seen hundreds of with Seedance 2, and yet for some reason I can't do it. All right, guys. Well, if you've tried, if you know prompts to get around this problem, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Check out some of our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.